Welcome to JA Auto Cars. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Mahindra e-Verito, a fully electric sedan designed for urban commuters who are looking for a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Mahindra has updated the e-Verito to meet the growing demand for EVs, adding improvements to its range, technology, and overall practicality. Let's dive into what the 2025 e-Verito has to offer. The 2025 Mahindra e-Verito retains its understated and functional design but with some subtle tweaks to give it a modern look. The front fascia features a redesigned closed grille with blue EV accents, flanked by sharp LED headlamps with integrated DRLs. The bumper has been reworked for better aerodynamics, with a clean, minimalistic design. On the side, the e-Verito sports 15-inch alloy wheels with aero-style covers for improved efficiency. Blue highlights around the body reinforce its electric identity. The rear gets LED tail lamps and a refreshed bumper, keeping the design simple yet functional. Under the hood, the 2025 e-Verito comes with a 31 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, which delivers a significantly improved range of 300 km on a single charge. The electric motor generates 41 PS of power and 91 Nm of torque, making it ideal for city driving and daily commutes. The car is equipped with regenerative braking technology, which helps recover energy during braking to maximize range. While the performance is not meant for high-speed enthusiasts, the smooth and silent drive ensures a comfortable urban driving experience. Charging the e-Verito is easy and convenient. With a standard AC home charger, the battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in 6 to 8 hours, making it perfect for overnight charging. Mahindra also offers a fast charging option, where a DC fast charger can top up the battery from 10% to 80% in just 50 minutes. Additionally, Mahindra has partnered with charging networks across India, ensuring a growing number of fast charging stations in urban areas. Step inside the 2025 e-Verito, and you'll find a spacious and practical cabin. The dashboard features a straightforward layout with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Bluetooth connectivity, USB, and Mahindra SE2 Connect app for real-time updates on battery status, range, and nearby charging stations. The digital instrument cluster displays essential EV-specific information like range, power consumption, and charging status. Comfort is a priority in the e-Verito, with well-cushioned seats upholstered in fabric for better ventilation. The car offers excellent legroom and headroom, especially at the rear, making it a great choice for families and fleet operators alike. Features like automatic climate control, power windows, and remote central locking add to the convenience. The 510-liter boot space is a standout feature, offering plenty of room for luggage or business needs. In terms of safety, the 2025 e-Verito comes with standard features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. The strong body structure and reinforced chassis ensure durability and protection. While it doesn't offer advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, the e-Verito's safety features are sufficient for its target audience. On the road, the 2025 e-Verito performs best in city conditions, where its instant torque and smooth acceleration make navigating traffic effortless. The top speed is limited to 85 km/h, emphasizing its focus on urban use and maximizing efficiency. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces. One of the biggest advantages of the e-Verito is its low running cost. With electricity rates significantly lower than fuel prices, the cost per kilometer is as low as 1 Indian rupee and 20 cents, making it an economical option for daily commuters and fleet operators. Additionally, the car qualifies for government subsidies under the FAME2 scheme, reducing the upfront cost and making it an even more attractive proposition. The 2025 Mahindra e-Verito is priced at 11.99 Indian rupees lakhs for the base variant and goes up to 13.49 Indian rupees lakhs for the top-end model, including subsidies. While it may not be the most feature-rich or powerful EV in the market, it stands out for its practicality, spacious interior, and cost-effectiveness. So, is the 2025 Mahindra e-Verito the right EV for you if you're looking for an affordable and reliable electric sedan for city commutes, fleet operations, or daily use? The e-Verito is a great option. It's simple, efficient, and eco-friendly, making it a practical choice for the environmentally conscious buyer. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JA Auto Cars for more car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Mahindra e-Verito and which car you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.